Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Gretchen and this is Beautiful Mess, and I am so glad that you are joining me today for my master bathroom deep clean. This bathroom needed a lot of attention. We had just gotten back from our trip and it was really the only thing I needed to get done. So let's go. So now is the perfect time to get the towels washed while I am cleaning the shower. And yes, your eyes are not deceiving you. That is dish soap that I am using to clean my shower. And it is the knockoff Walmart version of Dawn. And this stuff is so great for cleaning my shower. I love it compared to anything that I've used to get the grime out of the shower. And normally what I like to do is use one of the dish wands that you can put the soap in and then put some vinegar, but unfortunately I had not had it in a while, so the shower got really grimy and it really needed a lot of attention. But if I do have the wand and I can just pick it up after the shower and kind of just scrub the shower down, it is amazing for maintaining the shower clean in between deep cleaning. So if you were wondering how that dish soap works, the Walmart brand, it is so great. I swear that you would think that you're using Dawn, and when in fact it really isn't. So and then just to give the shower door some shine, this is not really to get any grime off or anything, it's really just to give it a little bit of shine, especially the metal around it. I use the Spray glass cleaner and it just gives it a really nice shine.
What are you doing, huh? Get out from there. What are you doing? Look at the mess you made. Look at me. What are you doing? Come on.
So that is just the toiletry bag that I needed to get unpacked from our trip. And then this is my main drawer where we pretty much keep everything. It was pretty empty and I just thought it would be the perfect time to get it wiped down. Just using some Lysol wipes to wipe down all the grime and all the nastiness, toothpaste, all of that stuff, and then just reorganize it since most of the stuff was out. And this is what it's supposed to look like when it's So nice and neat and organized. And yes, most of the stuff in here is my husband's. A few things in there are mine, including my toothbrush. Majority of the stuff is his, and my space is really the top of the counter. And on to cleaning the mirror and getting that wiped down again with the Sprayway glass cleaning spray. So I really like to use the Greenworks multi-surface cleaner for cleaning the sink, and you get a lot of makeup and toothpaste and just residue from all the things that you use during the week. So I really like to give that surrounding area a very good clean and use some elbow grease when it comes to that. So to wipe down the toilet, I usually like to use the Lysol disinfectant wipes if I have them on hand, and I did happen to have them on hand today, so that is my preference for just wiping the toilet down and getting it disinfected and just really getting it very clean. So to clean the toilet bowl, I like to use the Clorox Clinging Bleach Gel Toilet Bowl Cleaner. Then I will just spray the wand with a Clorox bleach spray. And with my Greenworks multi-surface spray, I like to just wipe down the cabinets and get all the toothpaste and all the things that stick on there off of there. Sometimes the kids like to use my tub as their little swimming pool, so cleaning up those toys and getting the bathtub clean. And again, I will use the dish soap for this also, same as the shower. And then last, I just like to sweep up and get the floor mopped, and I did use the Method Squirt and Mop Cleaner. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and maybe were able to get some motivation to get your bathroom clean. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you do like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you would like to see more videos like this. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will be seeing you guys in the next one. Take care and God bless. Bye.